Want to learn the biological effects of cannibalism? Of course you do! Especially today because we are answering a really cool question. What kind of genetic modification would a mammal require to be immune to prion diseases? Well, what if I told you that there is in fact a genetic mutation that can protect people who have it from prion diseases? And how we found this was very interesting. As when Kuru disease was discovered, it was only discovered in one tribe within Papua New Guinea, that being the tribe called the Foray people. As the Foray people conducted ritualistic cannibalism, and that led to Kuru disease being spread throughout the tribe. But the story doesn't end there, as not only was Kuru disease discovered at this point, but it was also discovered that at some point in evolution, the Foray people, because of Kuru disease, developed a genetic mutation. A genetic mutation that specifically impacts the PRNP gene. The PRNP gene being the gene that synthesizes the healthy cellular prion protein. That is, before it sporadically misfolds into a disease-causing prion, things like Kuru prions or Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease prions. And how this mutation works to block prion diseases is really interesting. Basically, we have the PRNP gene within this DNA strand, and that gene holds this mutation. So whenever this DNA template with the mutation on it gets transcribed into an RNA strand, which is copied from the original DNA template, so it has the mutation, that mutated RNA strand then gets turned into chains of amino acids. Now, there are a lot of amino acids, 20 to be specific, and those amino acids end up creating proteins. In this case, folding into cellular prion proteins. So whenever we get to this stage of building the cellular prion protein, the DNA mutation basically swapped out one specific amino acid in a specific location within the chain for another amino acid. And we know exactly which amino acid was changed out, as this mutation has it all in the name, with it being called G127V. Meaning, if this was the 127th amino acid within the entire chain, this specific amino acid would be changed from a glycine amino acid to a valine amino acid. And this one amino acid change basically makes it to where misfolded prions within the body cannot connect to other proteins and misfold them, basically blocking Kuru disease from having any effect on your proteins.